Good morning to all. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I thank our special guest, Mr. XYZ, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. And I also express my heartfelt thanks to Mr. ABC for his valuable contribution. We are grateful to our Mr. LMN for his words and encouragement. His able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank him for his kindness, his interest, his hospitality, and continued support. I thank our well-wisher, Mr. ABC, for his stewardship, support, vision, and commitment. I thank our principal and vice principal for their unstinted support for this function. My heartfelt thanks to heads of various departments and the faculty for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all efforts. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here accepting our invitation. I thank the members of the media for evincing interest in covering the event and all good hearts who worked behind the screen. Last but not least, I thank you, my friends, for your cooperation in making this function a resounding success. Finally, I leave you this inspiring quote by Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concerns to the broader concerns of all humanity. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you.